Okay, we are here at the Konchu Cafe, which is the Bug Cafe. We have a little bug vending machine out here in the town of Isa City in Kagoshima prefecture. And we were walking on our way to have dinner, and then we saw this, and well, I guess might as well have a little appetizer before dinner. So, what do we have? There are beetles, giant water bugs, scorpions. Actually, I wanted to get the scorpion, but it's sold out. So I think we're going to go with the crickets. We have curry flavored crickets, cheese flavored crickets, corn, potato, something flavored crickets, shoyu and butter, soy sauce and butter, and then barbecue. I think we're going to go with the soy sauce and butter flavored crickets. 500 yen. I don't know how many will come out. Come on, baby. Oh, glass container. How about that? So we have our soy sauce butter crickets from Isa City, Kagoshima Prefecture. Wow. And the ingredients are, oh, how about that? Crickets from Thailand, not Japanese crickets, from Thailand. Protein, 55 grams of protein per 100 grams. This is 3 grams, so just a little bit. Oh, hello. Since this is the cafe, might as well eat them at the cafe. That might be some kind of expiration date. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Oh, yep, those are bugs. Those are bugs. Nice. Well, let's see. It's actually pretty good. Tastes like chips. Maybe chips that are high in protein. Well, if I had a beer, oh yeah, that would be fantastic. There's a big boy. Yeah, look at that. Down the hatch. It's not bad. I really wish they had the scorpions. I would definitely get a scorpion. Well, actually, I might be able to recycle this here. I'm not going to take this, but bug vending machine in rural Japan. Yay. Awesome.